In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import records with associations in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to bring contacts into your CRM while keeping their links to companies, deals, and tickets intact, so your data stays organized and useful. Start in your HubSpot account. On the left pane, open CRM and choose Contacts. In the top right, click Add Contacts, then select Import to open the import workflow. Now decide where your records are coming from. You can sync data from supported apps, use transfer tools from platforms like ActiveCampaign or Salesforce, or import directly from a file if your data is already prepared. If you choose to sync from a supported app, connect the integration and follow the prompts. HubSpot will guide you through authorizing the connection, choosing which objects to sync, and reviewing field mappings. When associations exist in the source app, confirm those links are included in your sync settings so they carry over correctly. For transfers from other platforms, select the migration option and follow the guided steps. The tool helps map properties and bring across supported associations. Just make sure you have the right permissions and allow time for larger data sets. For a file import, prepare a clean CSV or XLSX. Use clear headers with one row per record and include columns that help HubSpot build associations, such as company domain or company ID, to link contacts to companies, or deal IDs when relevant. Keep formats consistent, especially dates and drop-down values, and avoid including sensitive data. In the wizard, upload your file, pick the object you're importing, and confirm property mappings. If you want associations, use the options HubSpot presents to create links based on the identifiers you provided. Whatever method you choose, follow the on-screen steps. HubSpot will validate your choices and show a summary before you proceed. If you see warnings, review the suggested fixes and then start the import. After the process runs, open a few records in Contacts to spot check. You should see the associated company, deal, or ticket in the record's right-hand panel. If something didn't link, adjust your mapping or add the needed identifier to your source and re-import a small test file. One final tip: test with a small subset first. It's the quickest way to confirm your mappings and associations before importing your full database. That's all. You've learned how to import records into HubSpot and preserve the associations that keep your CRM consistent and powerful.